Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study our chapter first, resources. The topics we will cover in this chapter are resources and the types of resources. That is the natural resources, human-made resources, human resources, and then we will study about the conserving resources. That is the resources conservation and sustainable development. The first topic of our chapter is resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resources. What makes a thing resource? A utility or a usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Example like in water, textbook, etc. have some utility or usability that makes these things a resource. Resources have economic value while some do not. Some examples are metals may have an economic value, a beautiful landscape may not, but both satisfy human needs. So these are considered as resources. As I already told you, that anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Resources can become economically valuable with time. For example, grandmother's home remedies are not economically valuable today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. Some important factors that can change substance into resources are time and technology. People themselves are the most important resources. Their ideas, their knowledge, inventions, and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Each invention leads to many others. For example, the discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking and other processes, while the invention of the wheel ultimately resulted in development of newer modes of transportation. Now, types of resources. Basically, there are three types of resources: natural resources, human made resources, and human resources. The resources that are drawn from nature are used without much modification are called natural resources. For examples, air, water, soil, minerals, etc. are natural resources, and the resources which are created from natural resources through human resource are known as human made resource or man made resource. For example, buildings, bridges, roads, etc. Next is human resource. People are human resources. It refers to the quantity and ability of the people. Many of the natural resources are free gifts of nature. These can be used directly, but in some cases we have to use tools and technology may be needed to use the natural resources to utilize it in a best possible way. Natural resources basically classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use, like origin, stock, and distribution. On the basis of their development and use resources, it can be classified into two groups, that is, the actual resources and potential resources. About these resources, we will study in our next class. Thank you, everyone.